and welcome back. So for today we are going to seal the toilet. Sometimes they are not steady enough and you cannot screw it because if you are going to force too much the screws at the bottom of the toilet, you might crack it. So in this case, it's always good to use some silicone. And I'm going to show you that in just 5 minutes of your time. It's not difficult to do, and let's just start to do that. Okay, so we have our toilet here. I already prepared my gun with some multi-purpose silicone, and I'm just going to do a line of silicone just here at the bottom. So first of all, I'm going to make sure that everything is nice and clean. So I'm just going to start by applying some silicone right at the bottom. And on this side also. Now in this case I can't reach the back. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to bend the nozzle. And now it should be enough for me to reach that side. And also the front of the toilet. Don't worry if it's not tight enough. Look, I can put some more just to make sure. So I'm not worried because I have too much, because I'm just going to spray it now a little bit. And I'm just going to use my roll-on tool to take all the excess away. And now we are going to do even the other side. Now the sides also. And the top also. Now we just need to spray everything and pull out all the extra silicone that is around. Now this is the most difficult bit because there is not much space. Going to do that even here on top. And it's nice and clean now. Some more spraying. Now in the most difficult sides, I'm just going to use a little bit my finger just to smooth it up a little bit. Okay guys, so we just finished our toilet and now it's nice and steady. And we just finished for our video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.